Hello everyone, this is Sunan from TechHelpGo, and now I am going to show you my custom wizard which will take the responsibility of creating the XML file automatically from a solution file. So I am not going to waste your time. I'll be directly guiding you to how to create the wizard and taking all the inputs and how to create the WiX XML. It is like a normal setup project. So I have created one sample web application along with 3 class library projects. So in this scenario, I am going to show you how my project template is going to utilize your creativity. So I am going to start with this solution, or you can have any number of solutions. You can have your own solution for that. Now I am going to start my demonstration using this solution where I have created one web application project. As you can see, this MVC web application 1, and along with 3 class library projects. This is a simple 3 class library project, where in real case scenario you will have many projects or solutions, many projects inside the solutions, and you will be able to create the Wix. You have to write the mundane task of generating the XML file. So this is not here anymore. I am going to show you the easiest way to create one Wix setup project and how to utilize that wizard. So here I have one solution which contains 3 class library projects: class library 1, class library 2, class library 3, along with one MVC application. So I am going to show you how to create the setup project. So I am here right clicking on the solution file and going to add a new project. Here I will select this create XML magic template with wizard, where I will have to take all the inputs, and the XML will be ready for us to be built. So I'm selecting this magic wizard template and clicking OK. So the wizard is ready, as you can see, and there is a select solution file option where you have to select the solution file that you are going to include your Wix project. So I'm clicking the search solution file, and I am going to the MVC application 1.solution file. I am going to select that. So you can see that all the projects like MVC application 1, class library 1, class library 2, class library 3 is ready to be built, and it's enlisted in this checklist box. And in the right checklist box I have my MVC application 1 project, which is a web project basically. So I'm going to show you how to utilize our template. So hereby I will click the build solution, and I'll have to provide a build path. Remember that this solution will be built in release mode, and whatever the path you are giving here will be taken here. So I am selecting one build path. So I am selecting one build path which is publish folder. So I am given the publish folder name where I need to build my solution file. So I am clicking on build and wait for a while it building the solution. So MVC web application 1 solution build completed successfully. If I go to the Windows desktop, I can see in my published location all the files that are required for the build. It's here, it's enlisted here. So my template is able to create a build from a particular solution file. So I can individually select build project as well, and I can individually select which application I'll have to build. Suppose class library 2 and embassy application 1 I have to build. So in this location, C:\, users and desktop publish, I am building the solution, and it will give me one by one. Embassy application 1 build completed successfully and class library 2 build completed successfully. Now if I go to the desktop and click on the publish folder, you will see that all the required DLLs and all the required files are there that is generated from the build. Now I am going to close this. Now I am going to show you one very useful wizard, which is actually I click on build solution. You see the embassy application 1 web project that is listed inside in the right checklist box. This is the web project. Now I click in the embassy application 1 build and publish this in the same location. I click on publish. It will take a while to publish the solution. Publishing completed successfully. Now here, if I again go to the publish folder, I will be able to see that all the published files, it is generated over here. Now the main purpose of creating this template wizard is to generate the XML, of the product.wxs file. So in the product.wxs file, if I build, suppose I want to create one product.wxs file on its own, so I have to give a name of the component group name. Let's say it's a CG underscore web publish. I give the component group name and select the install location, and this install location is the location where I am going to install the files after the wizard setup completes. So I browse any folder in the the search folders where I can select, like, for suppose I select this for print. So this location will be introduced in the for print location. So everything will be whenever you will be installing, you can let it change on the path while installing, but this is the path we are giving so that we can install it in a particular location. So after I have given all the inputs, I will just click on generate WiX XML generated successfully. I click OK. Now the wizard goes. Now if I look in the product.wxs, I can see all the subfolders and the Sunan desktop for print. Everything is ready for me, and the XML is also ready for me. As you can see, the XML is also ready for me, and what I have to do, like change some simple parameter like the product ID, the product name, and the manufacturer sample. Suppose I have given the sample manufacturer, and the feature title setup project 1. You have to change it as per your convenience. So if I go to right click on this setup project, go to properties, and it's saying that WiX Magic Setup Project 11, like I give it to main setup WiX. Main setup WiX. I give the name to main setup WiX. Right click, save all items. Now I am going to build the rebuild the whole Wix generated setup, Wix setup project. Now, as you can see here, the rebuild all started, rebuild all succeeded. So, if I go to the bin location, debug location, Control A, Control C, and go to Windows Explorer, and I click in Control V, and then this is one setup project, and in the debug location I get our main setup Wix MSI. Now if I click the MSI, it is going to be ask you the common terms, like I accept the terms in license agreement. Next. Now the location we have specified, it is already there. So I am going to leave it like this only, and I am going to click next. Next, install. Now the whole MSI will be getting installed, and the files will be moved to that location. Let's wait for some time while this wizard completes the setup. Validating install, and after copying new files, it's showing copying new files, and the setup wizard is completed. Now if I go to the location, that is that users desktop for print. Now if I go to the for print location, Windows D, and in the desktop folder I created that, what the location was, desktop, subfolder command desktop for print. Yes, look into the for print folder, and I will find all the files over here. So all the files over here will be published over here, and the setup project is ready in our case. So this wizard is actually I have named it the Magic Wizard, and this is you can utilize in any project where you need to build the projects manually or build the solution file whole, and you can generate the Wix XML as easy as possible. So this is my template wizard which I have introduced to you. You can download it from my blog anytime, and it comes with a VSIX installer. This VSIX installer I have already shared in my blog. Let's show you. I visit https techhelpgo.wordpress.com. So in this techhelpgo.wordpress.com, which is my blog, and I will be showing you where I have written all the steps. I have given enough description to generate and to ease your task. To ease your task. Unfortunately, my internet is a bit slow, as you can see, but in this blog you will be able to find all the required things. I have to log in. Wait, logging in my broadband settings. I have already logged in, so I will go to my blog directly, and I will show you how to create the wizard manually, how to create the wizard and how to utilize that. So this is the create WiX XML magic template is ready. This is the topic, and you can see I have given full description over here. You can browse through my blog, and this is the all the steps are readily mentioned. It's very easy, and you can use it anytime you want. So this is the main thing. So for I need to mention it one for something, like there are some prerequisites that need to be taken care of. The template usually uses 3 Wix toolset 3.10. So you have to take care that whatever Wix you are using, the version should match. The version should be matching with Wix 3.10. So it is internally using hit.exe to generate the XML, to generate the main XML. So this is all my all I can tell you. So this is I think this is a wonderful value addition for the customer, and this is how it works. And you need to just right click and build the project, and the MSI will be ready for you. So here I can see that build succeeded screen is showing here. So if everything goes all right, you will be able to generate the MSI. So I will be waiting for your feedbacks and queries. Please write to me at sunayan.sarkar2014@gmail.com, or you can post your comments in techhelpgo.wordpress.com. So I'm finishing this video right now. If you have any query, you can directly contact me. Thank you.